Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to update and customize a contact form on your B12 website. You'll see how to manage your form, update or add fields, and choose what happens after a visitor submits the form. Your contact form is where most customers get in touch for the first time. It's fully customizable, so you can collect the right details and determine what happens after someone submits it. To access your contact form, open your B12 editor and go to Website, then Pages. Click the page that has your contact form. Scroll and click Form Details. From here, you can edit your contact form. Under Title, enter a clear, descriptive name so you can easily identify where submissions came from. Edit the form CTA text if needed. In the Form Fields area, you'll see every field currently included in your form. Drag the grip icon to rearrange fields or click the arrow beside a field to edit its settings. If you need to remove a field, simply click Remove Field. To add new questions or inputs, click Add Field. You'll see a wide variety of field types to choose from. The address field collects a physical or mailing address. The checkboxes field lets users select one or more options from a list. The date field allows users to pick a specific date. The date or time field allows users to select both a date and a specific time. The email field collects an email address and validates it for proper format. The file upload field lets visitors attach documents or images when they submit the form. The number field collects numeric input such as age or quantity. The phone number field collects the customer's phone number. The radio field allows users to choose only one option from a list. The select field presents a drop-down menu for single selection. The text field collects short, single-line responses like a name or company. The text area field is for multi-line responses or longer comments. The URL field collects a website address and validates it automatically. B12's AI can help you generate new fields based on your business. Click AI-generated fields and wait as it adds new fields to your contact form. Feel free to edit and remove if necessary. Next, scroll to the Next Step section. This controls what visitors see after they submit the form. You can edit the success message that appears and choose what happens next. You might direct customers to complete a second form, schedule an appointment, make a payment, redirect to another page, show text generated by AI, or select None if you don't want to take them anywhere. Pick the option that fits your workflow. When you're finished customizing your form, click Publish in the top right corner of the editor to make your changes live. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.